Hi there. Today we're going to look at how to create multiple choice quizzes using iSpring Suite. If you don't already have iSpring Suite downloaded, you can get a free trial here. Once you have iSpring downloaded and installed, open it and head on over to Quizzes. Now select that Graded Quizzes option to launch the Quiz Maker. Now you get to choose what kind of question you want to add to your quiz. Just click the Question button and select Multiple Choice. It couldn't get much easier than that. From here, you can type in your questions and, of course, add all the answer choices you want. Since this is a math problem, I'm going to want to be able to add equations. To do this, all you have to do is head on up the menu and select the Equations button, and you'll get all the options you need. Up here, you can add images, video, or audio. Over here, you have additional customizations you can make if you want to. Here, you can decide when your users will get feedback, adjust the branching to control the order of questions in your quiz depending on your students' answers, and adjust how the quiz is scored. You can also choose how many attempts your students get to choose the correct answer, add a time limit to the questions, and turn Shuffle Answers on and off. And down at the bottom, you can change your feedback message for correct or incorrect answers, as well as score. You can even set it up to deduct points for a wrong answer. You can also select where to take your learners depending on if they give a correct or incorrect answer in the branching column. See, here I can choose to send the user back to the beginning of the group if they get the answer wrong. And that's how easy it is to create a multiple choice quiz in iSpring Suite. Let's quickly take a look at the preview to see how our quiz works. Looks pretty good. Let's take the quiz and see how it works. Alright, that's it for now. You should give it a go.